This is Thai basil, also known as holy Thai basil. It has a somewhat spicy, peppery, clove-like taste and is a common ingredient in many Thai dishes, especially Kra Pow. I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to grow this plant. Now, I know the easiest way to propagate Thai basil is by stem tip cuttings. Take cuttings about 4 to 6 inches long, trim them appropriately, including removing any flowers as necessary, and place them in clean water. Here they are after about 10 days or so. They grow really fast. You can see they have developed a lot of roots and can now be transferred into starter containers. Easy, but that's kind of boring. And what I think is a lot more fun and interesting is to grow them from seeds. After the plant has flowered and the flowers look dried up, snip off the flower stems. Don't worry if some of the flowers are still not totally dry. Take your flower stems and place them in a bag and, if necessary, let them dry for another day or 2. Take your bag and shake it or gently tap it or crush them a bit, and you will notice that the chaff and seeds will fall to the bottom of the bag. The seeds are absolutely tiny, almost microscopic. They are those tiny little black dots. If you wish, you can separate the seeds from the chaff, but it is not necessary and, in my opinion, a waste of time. Prepare a starter container with moist soil. I use normal potting soil. Place your chaff and seeds on top of your potting soil and gently mix them into the soil with a stick. If necessary, add a little more water. I suggest placing your pot in a sealable bag to maintain soil moisture and a high humidity level. Keep your bag in a warm area where it gets plenty of indirect light. Mine started to sprout in only about 5 days. It's been about 2 weeks now, and there are so many sprouts, I can't count them all. I'm not going to try. You can also see some of the little sprouts are getting their first true leaves. This is really fun and an easy way to grow your Thai basil. The most challenging part will be to thin these all out. Of course, you can use many starter containers if you wish. You can grow your plants in containers or place them directly in the soil. Be sure they get plenty of sunshine and are in a nice warm climate. So, the next time you're cooking up an authentic Thai dish, you can simply go into your garden and snip off some fresh holy Thai basil leaves. Be sure and support my channel by leaving a comment, ticking that like button, and of course, subscribing. Happy gardening, everyone. Click on the playlist tab for videos grouped by subject. See ya!